Hey there, folks. If you're tired of writing checks or visiting the bank to pay your Visa card bill, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to pay your Visa card online. It's quick, secure, and can be done from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in. First off, why bother paying online? It's convenient, helps you avoid late fees, and keeps your financial life organized. But before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. Your Visa card number, the amount you owe, and access to your bank account or another payment method. Step 1. Head to your Visa card issuer's official website. This could be banks like Chase, Bank of America, or whoever issued your card. Just search for their site online or use a bookmark if you have one. Step 2. Log in to your account. You'll need your username and password. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Step 3. Once you're in, look for the Payments or Bill Pay section. It's usually easy to find in the dashboard. Step 4. Enter the payment details. Specify the amount you want to pay, select your payment source, like a checking account or another credit card, and choose a payment date if possible. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Double-check the amount, date, and recipient to avoid any errors. Step 6. Hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. A quick tip. Always use a secure Wi-Fi network and log out after you're done to protect your information from potential risks. And if you run into any issues, check the help section on the website or contact customer support. There you have it. That's how you pay your Visa card online in just a few minutes. It's a game changer for managing your finances. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.